Hey, good morning. Another beautiful day right here in Holly Springs, Mississippi. And I'm in my favorite space here on the side porch. And I guess I'm thinking about all these things that I want to share with you. But I think what's most important is what I share about myself and my own experiences. And then, hopefully you get some value out of it. So if you stay with me to the end of this video, I want to share with you what I'm doing to, create a passive income for myself. So one of the things that I think is, like really, really important is mindset. And I have a few favorite quotes that I kind of will like mull over and think about a lot. Not every day, but especially when I become aware that I'm getting into a bad place. It's always a good reminder to me that, I need to really adjust myself and align myself with my true desires. One of my desires is to create a passive income. I have desired that for a long time. I've tried a lot of different things like drop shipping, some affiliate marketing, some blogging, and a lot of those just weren't scalable enough, or they weren't. I wasn't able to figure out how to do them in a way where I was earning money passively. And if you don't know what that means, let me just, and most people do. It's not really necessary for me to, you could easily ask ChatGPT, hey, what's passive income, right? So you don't need me to explain it. But anyway, to me, what a passive income means is that I'm figuring out how to do something one time and then get paid for that thing over and over again. For me, a good example would be like writing a book. Like if I could write a really good book that would sell, that people, the market would value, and people were buying it, then I would earn a passive income from that because I did something one time and then I just kept getting paid for it over and over again. And, let's say I started Netflix. That would be cool. And that really isn't even really totally passive. Now the membership is passive because people are paying for, something that I'm doing month after month. They're paying a membership, but I'm still having to create more and more content in order for that to really, be even somewhat considered like a passive income. Another passive income is like when you invest in stocks, and you especially invest in stocks for like Warren Buffett. He invests for the dividends mostly. And if it's high dividend payout, then that's a passive income flow because your money's resting in an investment, and then you're earning a residual passive income just for having your money, positioned there. So I want to talk to you about positioning your money into a system that will create like a passive income flow, and that is the Automatic Duplication System. And with AI being Sparky AI, who is like at the forefront of this platform and this system, and it's pretty amazing, really. It's pretty amazing and ingenious what has been built. And it wasn't all built by AI, because that would imply that AI was sentient and then just built this platform. And we still need the high touch with the high tech, and that means that humans had to come up with some ideas, and then they brainstorm with the AI to refine their ideas and come up with even better ideas and sparks that spark even more inspiration. There goes a school bus. Usually, sometimes those school buses are going by here like super fast. And the only reason he probably slowed down is because he's turning or something. Yeah, I don't get that. Anyway, rambling. Okay. So, this platform that I found is going to allow me to create a passive income flow. So I position my money in such a way that I am a member. And as a member, there are going to be leads coming in of people who are either wanting to position themselves as members, and then they're when they come in, they're coming in as a lead. And if they're assigned to me, I mean, there's like a bunch of other people. See how fast those cars go? That's 25 miles an hour. It's crazy, man. I don't get it. Well, actually, I do, because you know what? That's the other thing. You know, you keep getting, you keep attracting the things that you judge. So, and I do the same thing. So maybe I hate that about myself. Like when I'm delivering, I'm kind of going kind of fast in neighborhoods, which I'm very aware. So anyway, let me get back to it because I'm running out of time here. I'm way past the time that people even stay with me. My average watch time is only 2 minutes. So like I'm almost at 6 minutes. Oh my God, I only have 2 more minutes to get the message out. All right. So I positioned myself with this platform so that as a member, because it's a lead generation and AI follow-up platform, leads are coming in. They're being assigned to me. Those leads are being nurtured by AI, and then those leads convert into being members just like me. Now, they may be members for a couple of different reasons. Well, a few different reasons. They want to be part of the multiple income streams that are available in the platform. They may want to purchase some of the ad packs so that they can really skyrocket their team growth. They may want to be a member because they see the value of getting these really good hot leads for their niche, as network marketers or affiliate marketers, or they want to position themselves like me as a member who's getting leads. And then when those leads convert into members, you start earning a passive residual income on the membership fees that people pay each month. And that's basically all of it in a nutshell. Yes. Nutshell. Oh, man. All right. Well, I am really not nuts, but some of my behavior is a little nutty. I will say that. That doesn't mean that I'm nuts, though. It just means that I've got some loose parts that need to be tightened up so that I can better manage my emotional state on it at any given moment. So anyway, if you got any value out of that, I hope that you will like and subscribe. If you've made it this far, kudos to you. Kudos to you, my friend. I am really grateful that you are listening and watching. Yeah. So I think I'm going to go with that video. After 50 takes, I think that's the best one I've got so far. And I got the message out. So if you think you can do something or you think you can't do something today, just remember that whatever you say I am, not me. But when you're saying to yourself, I am this or that, then you are. And if you're really frustrated, listen to that message. And what is that message saying? It's not saying that you're frustrated. It's saying that you're really wanting to focus on something else that's going to be more joyful and pleasant for you to experience. So listen and look forward to whatever that is for yourself. And I will see you on the next video.